iPhone X pound receiver cable replacement operation. This is an iPhone X where Face ID can be used. This is an iPhone X where Face ID can be used. Plug a main set sensor pair expansion board. Will automatically jump to the relevant page. Take out pound receiver cable. Buckle the cable onto the repair expansion board. Click Test. Detection display lamp OK. Plug in the mobile phone data cable too. Connect the mobile phone. The proximity sensor must be unbound to write data. Click Write. Click OK to write. Show write success. Click Test. Successful detection display exists data. Turn off the phone and install the cable on the phone. Face ID has been successfully repaired.